Okay, here we're trying to find the distance from a point P to a line through two other points, Q and R. So I want to draw a picture here. So here might be Q, and maybe here's R. Maybe my P is here, and this distance here, this is going to be orthogonal. So I want this distance D here. Well, I'm going to use the vectors QP and QR. So here would be QP, and from here to here would be QR. So this is QP, and this is QR for those vectors. Well, the thing is that if I call this theta, I know what D is in terms of theta and the magnitude of QP, because D here is going to be magnitude of QP times sine of theta, right? So hypotenuse times the sine gives you the opposite angle. So, but I'm going to write this as magnitude of QP times magnitude of QR times sine of theta over magnitude of QR. So I put a QR in the top and bottom here. So you would cancel these out, but I introduced these specifically because the numerator now is the magnitude of a cross product. So our D here is going to be magnitude QP cross QR over magnitude QR. Okay, so we need to take the cross product. I need to figure out. So my QP here, I'm going to have negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. I have a negative 4 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 5 minus negative 5 is 0. And my QR here, I'm going to have negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 8 minus 5 is negative 3. And now the rest of this is just a straightforward computation, right? So my magnitude, my QP cross QR here, I'm going to have IJK, and then negative 4, negative 2, 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 3. So this is going to be a what? I'm going to have a 6I, okay, and then looks like a minus 12J, and then plus a, positive 4 minus 6, negative 2, so it should be minus 2k here, right? So that is my QP cross QR is just this vector 6, negative 12, negative 2. And so the magnitude of QP cross QR is the square root of 6 squared plus negative 12 squared is negative 2 squared, or square root of 184, right? My magnitude of QR is going to be the square root of negative 3 squared plus negative 1 squared plus negative 3 squared. So this is square root of 19. And so now our distance is just the ratio of those two. So our D here is this square root 184 over square root of 19. So I have square root 184 over 19.